I beg na clap for me, Yanya far, I beg. Yanya far, ba? Doesn't allow Yanya never till they take solar light. Yanya. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy introduced me and said, I get big head, big head. If you be guy for your girl, they look you, no ever conclude say the girl like you. Outside now, I stand, now two girls, they look me. I call the form sexy eye. You know, the one girl had come with me, or she cross road, come say, excuse me. I say, baby, air your mind. I know it's not easy for a lady to walk up to a guy to ask a guy out. He said, hope you'll not be offended. I say, for what? Just say your mind. He said, I just want to ask whether your head be this or you wear helmets. You get the hospital, so they talk to you like this. Oh, my money good though. I say, I dash my landlord 10,000. My landlord don't know when he call me. Oh, God, landlord. The amount of money you give to your wife sometimes determines the pet name she calls you at home. The first day I gave my wife 20,000, she called me honey. The next week, I give her 50,000. She increased her. She called me honey bunch. I say, wow, I will surprise her. The third week, I give her 200,000. My wife don't know what she called me. My Lord and personal Savior. I mean, tell her, worship me. My brother, no be everywhere Google Map, no. If you come somewhere like Transcorp, you go fit come here with Google Map. If you go Yanya, now you the director. I dey go Yanya one day, I reach AYA. On Google Map say this is AYA. Go straight. Where they go? He said this is Abacha Barracks. Go straight. Where they go? When we reach Kubo Mechanic Village, now Google Map come they ask me, where are we? I say we the road. Yanya not be place so. I say I carry my 1 year 6 months old son. Go register him for school. As we reach school for inside town here, they tell me one term 400,000 for picking when never get sense. Now my guy call me, he say, bring your son, come here. I say, how much be the school fees? He said 14,200. I said, for a term? He said, no, for 3 years. Now I carry the boy go. When we reach the school, I asked the woman, why is it 14,200? He said 14,000 for school fees, 200 naira for VAT. I said, wow. Now we did in school. I can't notice that all the teachers for the school, they're fat. All the children, they're lean. I know there's not children food at the shop. They'll come they write for my son book, your son like turkey, your son like turkey. I go they give the turkey. 3 months where all those people put their children for better school. After 3 months, yeah, children don't they sing A is for apple, B is for ball. My son spent 7 months for Yanya school. The first English will come up for him out now. I am condemned, I am condemned. Ladies and gentlemen, I say this and I leave. I say for my house, one major thing will cause quarrel. Me and my wife. She almost leave the marriage. She said, I'm going to leave this home. I said, why? He said, it's not too much. Now she can't call my dad, they report me to my dad. You know, women sometimes, I know they know where somebody carry problem, and I'll go to report them to his source. Now my dad, he go report to. My dad don't be saying, if they sleep, they snore, it's not really compete with the kingdom of God. He rise from glory to glory. Normal human being, they sleep, go to hear. Now that person, he go report me to. When we reach, he can't come my dad said, don't worry, I'm coming to your house to settle the problem. When my dad reach us, he won't report, hey, your son, my dad said, don't worry, I'm tired, let's go and sleep. Tomorrow I will settle the matter. I knew that day no go break. Around 2 a.m., who can they hear? Now my wife tapped me and said, honey, I said, he said, did you lock the door? I say, I don't know. He says, like, armed robbers are shooting. When we come out there, I go back. When you know, when somebody they sleep, they snore. If you tap and small, it will stop. Okay, how you tell no? You want to stop. I can't go outside, tap my dad small, the thing stop. I go back. Okay, they now our neighbors can't knock my door. Hello, loud voice. When I off on a generator, they don't bring light. Thank you, good night.